Little tutorial on how to remove your Tiguan door handle. This is the front door. So there's a little grommet here. You could use a screwdriver or anything to push it inwards, but we've made this because you have to pull it back out when you lock it up. So it's just a bit of metal bar bent, and we've just filed the end down so when you put it in there and twist it, you can pull it back out. So hopefully this helps. So right, first bit is hold the door handle out, and then in this tiny little hole, just go in there and push against it, which will lock your outer door handle out. And you want to remove this. Oh. So once you've got your cap out, just want to get hold of the door handle, give it a little gentle tap towards you. And there we go. It has got a wire, but they just pop off and sit inside. Now sometimes when they come here, they can fall off, which will mean you'll have to take the door card off to put your plug back on, which is a bit of a ball ache, so just be careful. I've done a tutorial now to remove your door card in case that happens. Then you just remove this cover here, and then inside you'll see the plug around about here, and once you put the handle back in, just put your plug back in. So that helps you remove your 2021 Tiguan door handle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. That'd be fantastic. Take care.